evaluation, accountability, and learning, MEAL, are parts of our everyday program management. Through MEAL, we track progress, make adjustments, discover planned or unplanned effects of programs on the lives, and hold us accountable to the community and people affected by crisis. COAST has a meal policy. It defines the framework of meal cycle, which includes off-site and on-site monitoring system from field to central level. Project managers have to send project plan, activity progress report, desktop newsletter, meeting minutes, beneficiary feedback, and monitoring reports to the central meal section every month.
গত মাসে 1324টা হাউসহোল্ড ভিজিট হয়েছে।
Meal section organizes Project Progress Monitoring Meeting (PPMM) every month in the presence of senior staffs, including the Executive Director, where all the project staff join. Representatives from Meal section, with participation of the beneficiaries, conduct regular project evaluation and present the findings and recommendations for adjustments and further plan. COAST is the only local organization in Asia which sustains HKI certification for maintaining core humanitarian standards on quality and accountability in its response. It puts people first, ensures accountability to them, and makes access to information for all. It also practices effective complaint response mechanism to hold it more accountable to the community. COAST learns from its program implementation, monitoring, and evaluation, and mainly from the beneficiary feedback. Learnings are documented, shared with staff, and applied them in program design.